Hello, howdy from Texas. It's March 23rd, 2012. I told you I'd come back on a sunshiny day. Well, this is how long I had to wait to get our sunshiny day. But anyway, I wanted you to see what it's like here in Texas when the sun is shining. I found out that big turn up there is going to be the first turn. It's going to be the signature turn for the Formula One track. And we've got a little traffic. Oh, and also another thing too is I found out that this road here, I made a mistake. This road isn't Ross Road Extension, and I'm so sorry. Ross Road Extension is the new Ross Road. This is the old Ross Road. Okay, and well, there's one of our cell towers. But there's a Porta-John there. And there are workers over there. They are going to begin work in 2 weeks on this road. Make it a new road. No more country road. It's going to be new. So I won't be able to stand on this road again until it is new. So I figure I'd come one last time when I could. See, this side here is the west side of the Formula One track. As you can see, look at these blue skies. Not a cloud in the sky. We have suffered with clouds here for almost a month. This is the second day for us to have blue skies and no clouds. This is the way it's supposed to be in Texas. So there you see the track. They must be on lunchtime. Well, it is right at, it's about 12 o'clock right now, so it is lunchtime. It's high noon. That's what this is. The sun, during the summer, our high noon really is high noon, because as you can see the sun right there. Let's see if I can get just a little bit. Anyway, that's not high noon for us. When we have high noon during the summer, that sun is as high as you can get. But anyway, so this is the west side of the track here. And I guess everybody's taking a lunch break. Here's some beautiful trees back here. Hackberry trees. And I hear some noise. Somebody's working over there. But here's the signature turn there. And nothing but oh, I see an 18-wheeler over there. Looks like a load. Dropped off a load of something. And here is all our... It's spring here in Texas. But this is the west side of the Formula One track. They're working. And there's the stands, there's the building. And they are working during the nighttime also. I woke up the other night, went outside around 4:30 in the morning, and I could hear loud machinery. But take a good look, because I won't be able to show you this footage on the west side, directly on the west side of the track, because they're going to close this road down. There you go. If you hear that airplane, oh, there's an airplane. It's right above the signature. This track, this Formula One track, is very close to the airport, Austin Bergstrom International Airport. If you were a bird flying from the track to the airport, you would only have to fly probably about 3 miles. I'm telling you, it's close. Everything's close. 3 miles to the airport. That's it. But it looks like the airplanes are out for lunch too. So here you go. This is the west side. It's going to change. It's going to change. Nothing but country. Workers over there. On the other side, not much happening. The next time I'm going to get in a different location. Find another spot, new spot. It is a beautiful day in Texas. It's supposed to hit 83 degrees today. The crickets are saying hi. And all those hilltops over there, if you were to stand there, you could see all of Austin. These trees here, these are mesquite trees. The ones that I'm pointing right there, they have big thorns. I see thorns right now on that tree that are 1 inch long. The thorns, I've seen them as big as 2 inches long. Mesquite thorns. Got some traffic coming. Got some traffic coming. Hope he doesn't run over me. Good, he got in the middle lane. Anyway, wanted to let you know what it looks like. Nice sunshiny day, and it's getting hotter. So stay tuned. I'll be in a new location. Right now, it looks like, if you were to look at this track, it looks like it's going to be impossible to get done by November. But hopefully they'll get it done. One thing about us Texans is we know how to focus on something. We know how to get a project going, and we know how to get that project complete at its due date. So come on, Formula One fans. We will have that race here in November.